What is up ho sa inyong lahat? Hello Vlogs TV subscribers and supporters. Mega shout out to our fellow YouTuber, Silver Wings Official. How are you doing today? For those who are new to my channel, my name is Jason. I am the creator of Vlogs TV YouTube channel. I am a teacher here in the Philippines, a YouTuber, and a road safety advocate as well. I want to share my vlogs to everyone who might find my content useful. I talk about educational topics like educational vlogs, health vlogs, moto vlogs, and paranormal vlogs. If you like my content today, please do click on that red subscribe radio button on YouTube and please click on the notification bell as well to get updated on my latest uploads. You can find more of my contents on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram too. Are you looking for vlogs about heat stroke and rehydration drinks? If that is so, this vlog is what you've been looking for. Content. Heat stroke. Heat stroke is a very dangerous condition that is caused by being too hot for too long. Left untreated, it can kill. Signs. Fast pulse and fast breathing. Skin flushed red, warm, dry or clammy. Vomiting or diarrhea. Confusion. Passing out or seizures. High fever, greater than 40 degrees C. Heat stroke happens to people who are not able to recover quickly enough from getting too hot. Old people, babies, the ill, very fat people, and alcoholics are most vulnerable. Heat stroke can also happen to a healthy young adult who has worked or exercised too long in the heat. These people tend to be sweaty instead of having dry skin. Treatment. Cool the person as fast as possible, move to the shade. Take off extra clothes. Fan the person and wipe them with cool, wet cloths all over the body. Put ice packs or cold cloths on the neck, armpits, and groin. An otherwise healthy person can be dunked in a bath of ice-cold water, but this is dangerous for an old person or someone who is already ill. When the person is alert, give rehydration drink. Or give a lot of any cool drink. But be careful the person does not choke. Breathing problems are common with heat stroke. Someone with heat stroke can get worse quickly, so if possible it is best to get medical help. Prevention. To prevent heat-related problems outside, wear light-colored clothing and shade the face and back of the neck with a hat. Indoor workspaces should have enough airflow and fans. Take regular breaks and drink lots of liquids. Avoid or limit drinking beer and other alcohol while working or playing sports in the heat because alcohol causes dehydration. Rehydration drinks. Rehydration means replacing what we lose during dehydration. When we have diarrhea, when we vomit, and when we sweat, we lose water. So rehydration drinks must include water. We also lose nutrients that we get from food, mainly salt and energy, that we get from eating sugar or grain or protein. To rehydrate, we must replace these nutrients too. Water plus a little salt plus energy food, sugar or rice or cornmeal, equals rehydration drink. Give as much rehydration drink as the person will drink, one or more drinks after each stool. Each drink should be at least 1 cup for a small child, a cup or more for an older child or adult. Keep giving rehydration drink until diarrhea has stopped and signs of dehydration are gone. What are some good rehydration drinks? Almost any fluid that you can easily prepare at home is a good rehydration drink. Salt and sugar drink. At home or at a clinic you can make a simple rehydration drink. It is just as good as the ORS, oral rehydration salts packets you can buy, but costs much less. 1. In 1 liter clean water. 2. Mix 1/2 teaspoon salt. Taste this mixture. It should be less salty than tears. 3. Then mix in 8 flat teaspoons sugar. Or, instead of sugar, mix in 8 rounded teaspoons of cereal, such as ground rice cereal or maize meal. If you use cereal, cook the mixture for a few minutes before serving it. To mix a single serving of rehydration drink, 1 glass water plus 1 pinch of salt plus 2 or 3 teaspoons of sugar or cooked grain cereal. Rice water. Rice water works as well as salt and sugar solution for rehydration. Cook some rice in twice as much water as you would normally use. Add some salt to the water. About 1/2 teaspoon salt per liter of water, or a big pinch in a glass of it. You can add a little sugar if you like. Drink as much as you can. You can eat the rice too. Other home cereals. If you usually make porridge or gruel to eat or feed to young children, these can be watered down for rehydration drink. Ground corn, dal, potato, or cassava will all help rehydrate someone, if they are well cooked and watered down to a thin liquid, and a little salt is added. A thin porridge like this does not replace food. If you thin down porridge for a rehydration drink, you can also give regular, thick porridge to eat. To recover from dehydration, give food as well as fluids. Yogurt or fermented milk drinks. These are good rehydration drinks and provide needed protein too. If the yogurt drink is very thick, mix in some water. Add a pinch of salt per glass. Breast milk. If you are breastfeeding a child who has diarrhea, continue to do so. Breastfeed the child more often, at least after every bowel movement. Let him breastfeed for as long as he wants. A child who has any signs of dehydration should also get some salt and sugar drink after each time he breastfeeds. Avoid drinks that make dehydration worse. Very sugary drinks, drinks with caffeine and alcohol worsen dehydration. So avoid sodas, Coke, Fanta, Pepsi, and sugary fruit drinks. Coffee and strong tea. Beer, wine and other alcohol. What about plain water? When you are dehydrated, plain water is not as good as the rehydration drinks above because it lacks the nutrients your body needs. When you are very dehydrated, drinking plain water can make you sick because you also need salt and energy. But it is better to give plain water than nothing at all for a little while. Give water while you wait for rice water or cereal drink to cook. Must water be boiled first? Water that has been boiled or otherwise cleaned of germs, disinfected, is best. But if you do not have firewood for boiling water, or have trouble getting clean water, use the water you do have until you can make your water safe. Pre-packaged oral rehydration salt or ORS. Pre-made packets of oral rehydration salts, ORS, ORT, may be available from your pharmacy, clinic, or market. Like homemade rehydration drink, these contain a mix of salt and sugar in the right amounts for treating dehydration. They also contain potassium, citrate, and zinc, which are helpful nutrients for people with diarrhea. For the views, where these packets are available for free, they are a convenient way to make rehydration drink. Be sure to add the right amount of water, usually 1 liter of water per packet. But check the instructions on the packet because adding too little or too much water can make sickness worse. If ORS packets are not free, it is better to make your own rehydration drink, it is much less expensive. Spend your money on vegetables, beans, eggs, or other healthy foods. Your homemade rehydration drink is just as good as the packet, and healthy food will help you recover faster. Outro. Well, I hope you guys like my video today. Please share your thoughts about my topic today in the comments section and I'm gonna do my best to read them and make an immediate reply to each of you. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Cheers to the growing 728 subscribers who support me. Thank you very much.